Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back in Michael's and today we're going to take a look at some of their vintage Christmas decor. Let's go shopping. And can we just talk about this Santa for a minute? He is $299.99, basically $300. Now I think he's gorgeous. He's probably I'm gonna say maybe 7 feet tall, very, very tall. I'm super short. And then next to him, for just $1,000, they have a red truck. Now it's big. It's bigger than one of those motorized cars the kids can drive. So I'm not quite sure what the market is for something this large, but just thought I'd show it to you guys. They've got a really good selection of Santas. They are regularly $50 and they're 50% off at least this week. So that makes them about $15. I really love Santa in his jammies. They've got a cowboy down here, one skiing. They've got one with some binoculars, a golfer. I love these guys though in their pajamas, in their robes, with their coffee pots. But there's plenty to choose from. So up here they've got even more Santas. These are bigger than the last ones and they're priced at $40. So 50% off right now, they'd be $20. Down here they've got some, and these are a lot bigger. These are priced at $50. Look at this one with his striped suit. I love him. He is wearing skis, and I really like this one in the fur. I love the wreath he's got. Down below they've got some angels in pretty much the same kinds of outfits, and they are all $40. I think she is just so pretty. I love her outfit. They also have a ton of these sacks. So the smaller ones are $2 and they're 50% off, so they're just $1. They're great to fill up with some stuffing or a pillow in the larger one. They've got this size for $4, and then the really big one is $7, so 50% off is just going to be $3.50. So we know that Michael's carries tons of lanterns, but something that's catching my eye are the chargers down here. So they've got the red truck and the charger. These are $6. They're usually on sale for 50% off. It also comes in red and black buffalo check and Santa, and that's a really good looking Santa. They're also putting out quite a few pillows for Christmas. I really like the green, and this Santa is so handsome. So it's $25, and right now they're 50% off. They also are putting out all kinds of throws down here, and I think they're $45. These don't really have tags on them, but they've got the plaid in the red and the green, and buffalo plaid, of course, as well as the sweater knit. And I really like this one in the red and white stripe. They've got more pillows. This one's the burlap style, merry and bright. And then they've got the reindeer that is super cute. Those are $25 a piece. And down here they've got the 2-pack for $40. This one is Santa with a plaid, so half price, that'd be $20. And this one, very pretty. I love that striping. So the other one it's with is just striped, and then this one is Joy to the World. For $11.99, they have a bunch of different garden stakes to choose from. I thought this one was really cute with all of the different locations and arrows. They also have those really tall standing signs for $30, and I'm going to take you guys over here to show you what they look like. So on this side they've got 4. They've got the snowman, and it says Joy in red, and then they've got Santa, stop here, on the red backing, and the red and black buffalo check in Merry Christmas, and welcome on the wood background with a little Santa's hat on the O. Over on this side they have the red and green welcome with the Santa's hat on top, and then the red suit in Ho Ho Ho. They have Happy Holidays on the wood, and my favorite is that white one, Enjoy, with the wreath as the O. So they're $30 right now and 50% off, so they would be about $15, and I'm kind of tempted This year they've got a lot of stockings. I'm loving all the plaid. They basically did the same prints in all of their tree skirts. Tree skirts are running really expensive in my opinion, $50 to $40. The most basic one like this one is $30 in the basic red fur. The one that's really catching my eye, red and cream stripe. So pretty. It's got some fur around the edge and it coordinates really well with the stockings that they have up here. Right now, all of these are 50% off. And in case you were wondering, the very tall nutcrackers are $249.99. Lots of red and blue. They have some smaller ones that are still pretty tall for $69 along the bottom. And they did a whole nutcracker island. So on this side, they have some pretty tall ones down here on the bottom. The countdown version. Let's see how much these are. Looks like these are running $80. Wowzers. They also have the smaller ones up here. These are definitely the smaller of all of them. I'm going to show you guys on the other side. They have some pretty fun ones, and those are probably maybe twice the size of these. Over here they've got the astronaut, the chef, the soldiers, and over here some medical staff. Down here I thought that this guy on his skis was pretty funny. And my favorite by far is this guy in his chef uniform baking the cookies. For $20 they have a few really pretty vintage looking ornaments. These are a good size too. They're kind of like a plaster. It comes in 4 different ones. They've got this one in the turquoise and red, this one in basically the reverse, and then this one in the red with the green center. Down here for $30, they've got a few vertical signs. They've got Merry and Bright on the turquoise, and then Jingle on the red. Quite a bit of glitter on these. For $60, they've got a very vintage looking wreath. Got a little Santa right there, and the old school looking house, the deer and bottle brush trees. For $22, they have a standing this way Santa sign. Super cute with all that turquoise and red. And down here for $60, they have a very chubby ceramic Santa. On this shelf, they have a few little standing trees for $6. And for $8, Can't Catch Me with the gingerbread, a little sign. They have the Peppermint Trees. So it does come in 2 sizes. The larger one's 25 and the smaller one's 20. And for $20, they have a really cute North Pole candy canes sign. Down there it says made by elves. For $30, they have a very vintage looking mailbox. This one with the candy cane striped base. For $14, they did the Oh Snap gingerbread sign. And then up here for $18, they did the glittery reindeer, the standing version, and the sitting. Lots of glitter on those. For $14, they have a couple of signs. This one in Ho Ho Ho, lots of glitter. And they have Cookie Factory with the gingerbread man. Next to those for $10, they have a few jars for saving up for the holidays. For $20, they have the glittery Santa countdown. And for $10, a few ceramic plates. They've got Santa and the snowman. Up here for $20 and $30, they have a few metal trees, very Whoville looking with a few bells on them. For $20, they have another vintage looking mailbox. This one is wood, and I really like this one. It's very narrow, it'd be easy to store. For $7, they have some mugs. Now, the other day they had a Santa here. I don't see it, just the snowman and the reindeer. Up here for $18, they have a bauble Santa and a snowman. Down here for $25, they have Santa's boots on a pedestal bowl. And for $20, they have some adorable gingerbread houses. These are bigger than the ones they've done in the last few years. And if you get them on sale, that's not too bad for $10. For $14, they did a very glittery, retro-looking Santa Stop Here sign. Down here for $30, they've got the set of the plate and milk for Santa. And this is cute. It's got a little reindeer treats cup. Next to those for $18, they've got the license plate style signs, North Pole on the turquoise, and back there, Dear Santa, I really did try on red. For $22, they have some very narrow standing Christmas trees, very whimsical looking, and for $50, they did a super cute vintage looking mailbox with a really cute little sign on the bottom of it. I really like this one. For $25, they did a very retro looking North Pole sign in the arrow, and this one lights up. They have a red mailbox for $30 that goes with this collection, and also for $30 down here they've got a felt red pillow. Next to that one, a white sweater print. That one is actually $40 in the naughty and nice. Down here for $35, they've got a little envelope, naughty or nice, from the desk of Santa Claus. And for $35, this one that looks like vintage postage. For $20, they've got another vertical sign, and next to those, they've got the crates for $40. This store's got two versions, Claus & Company and Frosty's Snow Cleaning. For $40, they've got a really cute Santa pillow. Next to that, for $18, they've got a sign, this one in the green, and it also comes in the red in Merry and Bright. For $30, they have a North Pole Santa's Workshop sign, this one on metal, super cute. Also for $30, they've got a Santa Please Stop Here arrow pillow. For $35, they have a super cute standing countdown. And for $25, they did a couple of sleds in the red and the turquoise. Up above that, they brought back their North Pole special notice, very nice and naughty sign. Over here for $30, they have another vertical sign trimmed out in some red wood. For $25, they have another cute vertical arrow sign. This one is so super cute. Also for $25, this little metal Santa Claus is coming to town sign. Could not be any cuter. For $15, they have a glittery Mary sign, and for $14, two box styled signs, Jingle and Santa Claus. For $30, they've got an enamel Don't Get Your Tinsel in a Tangle sign, and tons of different sized bottle brush trees. For $8, they have a little tabletop Making Spirits Bright sign, and this standing Believe sign covered in glitter for $18. For $14, they have a few of these little houses. Down here, it also comes in the North Pole in red. Lots of glitter on this stuff. And for $20, they've got Santa's boots. Now these I think are smaller than the ones in Target Dollar Spot that I showed you guys. They are $20 here and $5 there. Over here they've got a few snow globes. These are $30 a piece. This one is so cute with the old school looking snowman, and it's on a Santa base, and it looks like these are music boxes. We've got a few little shelf sitters. Down here a snowman and a few more signs. These in the box style are $12 and come in a few versions. And next to those, there is a tree advent countdown. All kinds of little boxes to open under the tree, and that one is $60. For $40, they have two Christmas tree countdowns, this one in the green and this one in the red. Lots of old school images on those. And for $40, they have a very vintage looking ornament tree, tons of red and turquoise in this one. For $59.99, they have some really nice, sort of old school looking glow molds or blow molds, I'm not sure what you call them.
Well, hello and Merry Christmas. It's sure getting chilly around here.
So that is the snowman. And
hello. Well, I can see that you've been very good this year. I'll be sure to have something special for you in your stocking. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas.
And there's the Santa. For $69.99, they have a toy soldier and a candy cane. These are 41.3 inches tall. For $39.99, they have the 23-inch Santa and Snowman that both light up. So they have a ton of mailboxes to choose from. They've got this one in the galvanized and red. All of them are $40 a piece. They've got this version down here with the little latch that opens up. And then down here, some that are really different. I really like these a lot. They do have a clear glass top. And that part opens up, really different shape. I like those a lot. They also have the red barn. The barn door has a little latch and opens up. And then these down here with Santa. They've put out all their Christmas trees as well, but something that caught my eye are the tree collars. So they have this one that looks a lot like a woven basket for $40, and then they've got this one for $60 that looks just like a wooden crate. And on an end cap, they have a ton of these box style signs. They're just $4.99 right now. They're all regularly $10. Lots to choose from. So that does it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Michael's to check out more Christmas decor. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.